Yoga can be a powerful tool in improving work-life balance by promoting physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Here's how yoga can positively impact work-life balance and some recommended exercises to incorporate into your routine. Stress reduction. Yoga helps reduce stress levels by encouraging relaxation and calming the mind. This, in turn, can help you manage work-related pressures and maintain a better work-life balance. Increased focus and concentration. Regular yoga practice enhances focus and concentration, enabling you to be more productive and efficient in your work tasks. Mindfulness and presence. Yoga teaches mindfulness, encouraging you to stay present in the moment and not get overwhelmed by work-related worries or distractions. Improved physical health. Yoga promotes flexibility, strength, and balance, which can alleviate physical discomfort caused by long hours of sitting or standing at work. Better sleep quality. Practicing yoga can lead to improved sleep patterns, which is essential for maintaining energy and mental clarity during the workday. Now, let's explore some yoga exercises that are particularly beneficial for work-life balance. Sun salutations. Surya Namaskar. A series of poses that can be practiced as a warm-up or energizing routine to kickstart your day. Seated forward bend. Paschimottanasana. This pose helps stretch the hamstrings and lower back, relieving tension caused by sitting for extended periods. Child's pose. Balasana. A calming and gentle pose that helps release stress and tension, perfect for a quick break during a busy workday. Warrior 2. Virabhadrasana 2. This standing pose strengthens the legs and opens the hips, helping to improve stability and focus. Tree pose. Vrk Sasana. A balancing pose that promotes concentration and steadiness, both beneficial qualities for work tasks. Corpse pose. Savasana. A final relaxation pose that allows you to completely unwind, promoting a sense of tranquility. Incorporate these exercises into your daily or weekly routine, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Remember that consistency is key to reaping the benefits of yoga for work-life balance. By dedicating time to your practice, you can enhance your well-being and find greater harmony between your work and personal life. If you like our video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.